Guys, I have something I want to share with you. Yeah, man, I want to share something with you. I want you to listen to this song. Listen to this song.
Alicia Kim stood strong when the lights went low. Carried too much weight, but she learned to let it go.
Listen.
She looked in the mirror, saw truth staring back.
Listen.
In that moment clear, Alicia Kim took her power back.
What she do?
Alicia Kim takes her power back. No more chains, no holding her fast. She says her name stands firm in fact. Alicia Kim takes her power back. Alicia Kim drew a line she once erased.
Listen.
Shows self-respect, chose her own pace. Yeah. She's not a lesson, she's not a scar. She's a woman who knows exactly who she is. Alicia Kim takes her power back. No more silence, no stepping back. From every fall, from every crack, Alicia Kim takes her power back. Alicia Kim takes her power back. No more silence, no stepping back. From every fall, from every crack, Alicia Kim takes her power back. Say her name, we remember that. This is her life, this is her path. No rewriting her contract. Alicia Kim takes her power back.
What else can we say? Alicia Kim, take her power back. Have a nice day. I'm out.